Right to it. A woman is behind bars after turning herself in for child endangerment. Angela Massaro came into the Princeton Police Department on Thursday, April 25th, turning herself in. She was charged with felony child neglect, creating risk of serious bodily harm. According to a criminal complaint, two children ages 8 and 10 were found by themselves in a residence on North Wickman Avenue in the city of Princeton on March 29th. Law enforcement was notified of the situation by the children's school administrator after the children had not been to school for several days. The administrator and Child Protective Services were the first on the scene of that residence. Upon arrival, law enforcement, the administrator and CPS agents told law enforcement that they had observed the heat in the home to be on full blast, even though the temperature outside was in the high 50s and low 60s. The oven was also on and open in the residence to add an additional heat source. CPS took custody of both children following this incident. Massaro is currently being held at Southern Regional Jail on a $10,000 bond. More information on this case on our website, WVVA.com.